For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a nightclub business has always been a venture that blends creativity, financial planning, and strong branding. However, modern entrepreneurs have the advantage of leveraging free AI tools to make the process faster, cheaper, and more efficient. This guide walks you step by step through launching a successful nightclub business using free AI resources available online. From crafting your business idea to promoting your grand opening, artificial intelligence can support you at every stage with research, content generation, analytics, and even design. Step 1. Define your nightclub concept and brand identity. The first step in launching a nightclub is to decide on your theme, target audience, and brand identity. Will your nightclub cater to luxury clientele, college students, EDM fans, or Latin music lovers? AI can help you brainstorm and refine these ideas. Use ChatGPT to explore various themes and names for your nightclub. You can input a prompt like, "Give me 10 unique nightclub concepts and brand names that target young professionals in urban areas." ChatGPT will provide creative and market-aligned suggestions that you can mix and match to shape your identity. To create a compelling brand, you can use tools like Loca, Freemium, or Canva, free version, to design your logo and branding materials. You can even describe your brand to ChatGPT and ask, "Generate a brand style guide for a high-end nightclub targeting professionals aged 25 to 35. Include tone, colors, fonts, and overall mood." Step 2. Conduct market research using AI. Understanding your competition and customer base is essential. Free AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Trends allow you to gather insights on popular club types, peak seasons, and geographic demand. Try a prompt such as, "Analyze the current trends in nightclub entertainment in Miami and identify gaps in the market." You can also ask ChatGPT to create customer personas. Create 3 customer profiles for a trendy nightclub located in a college town. Combine this with data from Google Maps and Yelp to research competing venues. Use ChatGPT to summarize your findings. Summarize the strengths and weaknesses of the top 5 nightclubs in Atlanta based on customer reviews. Step 3. Create a business plan with AI assistance. Your nightclub needs a well-structured business plan to serve as your roadmap and to attract investors or loans. ChatGPT can create detailed plans when prompted correctly. Use a command such as, "Write a nightclub business plan including executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operations, and financial projections." You can customize sections by adjusting your prompt depending on your target city or niche. If you need financial tables and projections, use Google Sheets in combination with ChatGPT. Ask, "Generate a projected income and expense spreadsheet for a nightclub that opens 3 nights a week with estimated revenue of $30,000 per month." You can copy and paste this into your spreadsheet for easy modeling. Step 4. Handle legal and licensing requirements. Nightclubs are highly regulated. You'll need business licenses, liquor licenses, health permits, and possibly zoning approvals. AI tools can guide you on what licenses are required based on your location. Try what permits and licenses are needed to start a nightclub in Los Angeles. ChatGPT can provide an overview, and you can verify details on local government websites. You can also use ChatGPT to draft legal documents or contracts to review with a lawyer later. A useful prompt could be, "Write a sample lease agreement for a nightclub tenant renting a 5,000 square foot commercial space in downtown Chicago." While you should consult a professional for final legal advice, these drafts save time and money. Step 5. Design the space using free AI tools. Interior design matters greatly in creating the right atmosphere. Tools like RoomGPT or AI-powered image generation platforms can help visualize your nightclub layout. You can describe your desired ambience to an AI image generator and request, "Create a nightclub interior design with a futuristic LED aesthetic and dance floor lighting." You can also use ChatGPT to generate floor plans or equipment lists. List all furniture, lighting, and sound equipment needed to open a modern nightclub with a 300-person capacity. Step 6. Develop a marketing and promotion plan with AI. Marketing your nightclub effectively is key to attracting your first guests. ChatGPT can help you write a full strategy. Use a prompt like, write a marketing plan for a nightclub targeting college students in Austin, Texas, including social media strategy, influencer outreach, and grand opening event ideas. For social media, Canva can be used to design Instagram flyers and TikTok thumbnails. You can also use free versions of platforms like Buffer or Metrical to schedule your posts. ChatGPT can write engaging captions. Write 10 Instagram captions promoting a nightclub's opening week with themes of excitement, music, and nightlife. If you want to generate press releases, use a prompt such as, write a press release for the grand opening of a new rooftop nightclub in Miami with live DJs and VIP service. Step 7. Hire and train staff with AI help. Finding and training staff is crucial to operations. You can use ChatGPT to write job descriptions and training manuals. Try. Write a job description for a nightclub bartender who specializes in craft cocktails. You can also ask, create a training manual for nightclub staff focused on customer service and safety. If you want to simulate interview questions or create onboarding schedules, ChatGPT is ideal for that. Prompt, give me a list of 15 interview questions to hire experienced nightclub security personnel. Conclusion. Launching a nightclub business is a complex but thrilling endeavor that demands a fusion of creativity, planning, and execution. Fortunately, the availability of free AI tools levels the playing field, allowing even first-time entrepreneurs to access insights, automation, and branding assistance once only affordable to major players. From concept development to operational refinement, ChatGPT and other AI platforms can be your behind-the-scenes partner every step of the way. With thoughtful prompts, strategic use of AI resources, and consistent execution, your dream of owning a successful nightclub can become a reality faster and more affordably than ever before. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.